Hi students, in last class we have discussed about phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. Now we are going to discuss about the oxides and the oxoacids of phosphorus. Oxides of phosphorus. Now we are going to discuss about structure of oxides of phosphorus. Totally how many oxides are there? Different type of oxides are there. And then phosphorus can combine with limited supply of air to produce the phosphorus trioxide. Phosphorus can burn in excess of oxygen gas to produce the phosphorus pentoxide, phosphorus trioxide and phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus trioxide P4 can combine with the air or limited supply of air to form of P2O3 or in the P4O6. It is called phosphorus trioxide, P4O6. Another one, in the phosphorus burning excess of air, combined with the excess of air to form phosphorus pentoxide, P2O5 or in the P4O10, P2O3 or P4O6. It is a phosphorus trioxide. P2O5 or P4O10. It is a phosphorus pentoxide, phosphorus trioxide and phosphorus pentoxide. What is the structure of phosphorus trioxide? Phosphorus, 1O, 1 phosphorus, 1O, 1 phosphorus, 1O bond. Next, in then oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, in then oxygen, phosphorus. It is the structure of phosphorus reaction. How many phosphorus? P4, 4 phosphorus are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many oxygen? 6 oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oxygen. It is a structure of vortex. The structure otherwise called vortex structure. Vortex structure of phosphorus reaction. In phosphorus reaction, totally how many lone pair and bond pair electrons are there? Because of so number of bond pair of electron, number of bond pair, number of lone pair of electron, number of lone pair, number of electron pair electron, number of electron pair. It is a question arises from the NEET portion. So totally how many lone pair of electrons are there? In phosphorus surrounded by totally 3 unpaired electron, 1 lone pair of electron. In the lone pair of electron occupy the tetrahedral position. 3 unpaired electron utilize the formation of 3 covalent bond with 3 oxygen atom. Phosphorus have 1 lone pair of electron, 3 unpaired electron. 1 lone pair of electron present in tetrahedral position, lone pair, then lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Lone pair of electron present in tetrahedral position. Remaining 3 unpaired electron, 1, 2, 3. That phosphorus means 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 unpaired electron utilize the formation of 3 covalent bond with 3 oxygen atom. One way. Another one way. Oxygen atom has 2 lone pair, 2 unpaired electrons. 2 lone pair of electron present in then tetrahedral position of oxygen atom. 2 lone pair of electron. 2 lone pair of electron. In then 2 lone pair of electron present in tetrahedral position of oxygen atom. Remaining 2 unpaired electron utilize the formation of 2 covalent bond with 2 phosphorus atom. 2 covalent bond with 2 phosphorus atom. Okay. So totally how many lone pair of electrons? So lone pair which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally how many phosphorus? 4 phosphorus. 4 into 1 equal to 4. In then how many oxygen? 6 oxygen. 6 into 2 because of each oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons. So 6 into 2 equal to 12. 12 plus 4 equal to 16. 16 lone pairs are there. How many bond pair? Each bond containing 2 electrons are there. Then bond containing electrons known as a bond pair of electrons. So totally how many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bond pair equal to 12. 12 bond pairs are there. So how many electron pair? Total sum of the lone pair and bond pair which is equal to electron pair. So electron pair equal to 12 plus 16 equal to 28. Each lone pair contains how many electrons? 2 electrons equal to 32 electrons are there. Each bond contains how many electrons? 2 electrons. 12 into 2 is equal to 24 electrons are there. Okay. So each electron pair contains how many electrons? 2 electrons. Into 2 which is equal to, so 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 electron pair electrons are there. So 16 lone pair, 12 bond pair, total 28 electron pair, 32 lone pair electron, 24 bond pair electron, 56 electron pair electrons are there in phosphorus triaxide. It is a structure of phosphorus triaxide P4O6. So P4O6 contain this kind of electrons and then bonds are there. Next one, then what is the structure? Vortex structure. This is a phosphorus triaxide, is also called vortex structure. Totally how many phosphorus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 phosphorus. The 4 phosphorus atom present at the corner of tetrahedron. And how many oxygens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygen. The 6 oxygen present along the edge of the compound. In ordinary compound contain phosphorus single bond phosphorus bond length 165.6 picometer. Bond length equal to 165.6 picometer. In single bond phosphorus oxygen phosphorus bond oxygen single bond length 184 picometer. That's why in ordinary compound contain phosphorus bond oxygen is a shorter than the in phosphorus oxygen in phosphorus reaction, because of in the compound formed in p pi and t pi bonding, p by d by. In the p by d by formed between oxygen atom contain filled p orbital overlap with phosphorus atom contain vacant d orbital. It is considered as a double bond character. Which bond? P by D by bond is considered as a double bond character. Next one we are going to discuss about structure of phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide P5O10. P5O10 phosphorus pentoxide. P4O10 phosphorus pentoxide. Total how many phosphorus? 1 oxygen, then phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, in the oxygen phosphorus bond. Next one, oxygen, then phosphorus, oxygen, in the oxygen phosphorus bond. Each phosphorus contains, in addition to that, one coordinate covalent bond. That means called double bond. Coordinate covalent bonds. Coordinate covalent bonds. So phosphorus atom has no lone pair of electrons. Because of the phosphorus atom donate lone pair of electron to the oxygen atom to form of coordinate covalent bond. It's a double bond, otherwise called coordinate covalent bond. Okay. In the oxygen atom contains how many lone pair of electrons? 2 lone pair of electrons and 2 unpaired electrons. The 2 unpaired electrons utilize the formation of 2 covalent bond with the phosphorus atom. Remaining 2 lone pair of electrons possessed on the oxygen atom. 2 lone pair of electrons possessed on the oxygen atom. 2 lone pair of electrons. Totally how many lone pair of electrons? Totally how many, then what? Bond pair of electrons. Totally how many electron present in this compound? How many oxygens are there? 10 oxygen. Each oxygen contains how many electrons? 2 lone pair of electrons. So 10 into 2 equal to 20. So in the lone pair of electron which is equal to, in the 10 into 2 equal to 20. Lone pair equal to 20. Bond pair which is equal to, how many bond pair? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, in the 19, 20. Totally 20 bond pair. Again count that. In the phosphorus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 2 sigma bond and pi bonds are there in oxygen atom. So 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So bond pair equal to 20. So totally how many electron pair? Total sum of the lone pair and bond pair which is equal to electron pair. Equal to 40. How many lone pair of electron? How many bond pair electron? each lone pair containing 2 electrons. So 20 into 2, which is equal to 40 lone pair of electrons are there. So how many bond per electron? Each bond containing how many electrons? 2 electrons are there. So 20 into 2, which is equal to 40 bond pair electrons. So totally how many electron pair electrons into 2, which is equal to 80 electron pair electrons are there in phosphorus pentoxide P4O10 phosphorus pentoxide. Lone pair 20, bond pair 20, electron pair 40. Lone pair of electron 40, bond pair of electron 40, electron pair electron which is equal to 80. It is in this question arises from in the NEET portion. Okay, it is a structure of phosphorus pentoxide. In phosphorus pentoxide, each phosphorus atom can be directly connected with another 3 oxygen atom. 1, 2, 3. This phosphorus. 1, 2, 3. This phosphorus. 1, 2, 3. This phosphorus. 1, 2, 3. So each phosphorus atom directly bonded with another 3 oxygen atom. In addition to that, one coordinate covalent bond. Phosphorus double bond O, phosphorus double bond O, phosphorus double bond O, phosphorus double bond O. In addition to that, one coordinate covalent bond, that means called the bi-bonds are there. That bi-bond very shorter than the phosphorus oxygen single bonds. In the phosphorus double bond oxygen bond length 143 picometer. Phosphorus oxygen bond length in this compound 184 picometer. In ordinary compound, phosphorus oxygen bond length 165.6 picometer. But in these compounds, coordinate covalent bond formed between phosphorus oxygen is 143 picometer, which is shorter than the phosphorus oxygen single bond distance. The next one, in the coordinate covalent bond between phosphorus and oxygen is formed between the phosphorus oxygen. It is a overlap of, what is meaning of overlap of? In the what? Lateral overlap or sideways overlap of filled p orbital containing oxygen atom overlap with vacant d orbital containing phosphorus atoms. Filled p orbital of oxygen atom overlap with vacant d orbital of phosphorus atom to give lateral overlap or sideways overlap or especially formation of pi bond, especially formation of pi bond in between p pi and the t pi bonding, p pi and the t pi bonding. Another 2 compounds are there in the structure of phosphorus and oxides in the P4O7 and in the P4O9. P4O7, P4O9. What is structure of P4O7? Phosphorus, bond O, bond phosphorus, bond O, bond phosphorus, bond O, bond. In the oxygen, phosphorus, then oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen bond. In double bond, only one double bond O's are there. Only one coordinate covalent bond formed between oxygen and phosphorus. This compound can be represented as P4O7. Another one, P4O9. P4O9. Phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus. In the oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus bond. Then oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen bond. Then oxygen bond. Double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. In this compound, there is no coordinate covalent bonds are there. In phosphorus trioxide, there is no coordinate covalent bonds are there. In phosphorus pentoxide, 1, 2, 3, 4 coordinate covalent bonds are there. In P4O7, only one coordinate covalent bond. In P4, in the P4O9, 1, 2, 3 coordinate covalent bonds are there. These compounds all are oxides of phosphorus. Next one, structure of oxoacids. Structure of oxoacids of phosphorus. The first one, phosphorus trioxide. That means called in H3PO2. H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. That hypophosphorus acid can be prepared from phosphorus dissolved in water to give H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid and removal of phosphine. What is the oxidation state of phosphorus in hypophosphorus acid? hydrogen can be, what is the oxygen state of hydrogen? 1. Totally how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogen. 3 into 1 equal to 3. Phosphorus can be expressed as a X. Oxidation state of oxygen minus 2. Here how many oxygens are there? 2 oxygen. So minus 2 equal to 2 equal to 4, which is equal to 0, because of there is no charge on the compound. So X minus 1 equal to 0, X is equal to plus 1. So plus 1 oxygen state. Hypophosphorus acid contain phosphorus exhibit the plus 1 oxygen state. The hypophosphorus acid can be prepared from phosphorus is treated with water to form hypophosphorus acid and phosphine is one equation. Another one, phosphorus acid H3PO3 phosphorus acid. The phosphorus acid can be prepared from phosphorus trioxide P2O3 is dissolved in cold water to give phosphorus acid H3PO3. Another one, phosphorus trichloride PCl3 is dissolved in water to give in the phosphorus acid H3 then PO3 plus HCl removed. Two methods are there. It's a preparation of phosphorus acid from phosphorus trioxide dissolved in water, phosphorus trichloride dissolved in water. What is the oxidation state of a phosphorus in phosphorus acid? Hydrogen, oxidation state of hydrogen 1. How many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogen. 3 into 1 which is equal to 3. Plus phosphorus can be expressed as a X. Oxidation state of oxygen minus 2. Here how many oxygens are there? 3 oxygen. 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 6 equal to 0 because of there is no charge on the compound. So X minus 3 equal to 0, X is equal to 3. So plus 3 oxygen state. Oxidation state of phosphorus in phosphorus acid exhibit the plus 3 oxidation state. The next one, phosphoric acid H3PO4 phosphoric acid H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid. The orthophosphoric acid can be prepared from phosphorus pentoxide P2O5 is dissolved in water H2O gives orthophosphoric acid H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid. Another one way, phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 is dissolved in water H2O gives in the orthophosphoric acid H3PO4 plus HCl. This reaction also is in the orthophosphoric acid also is prepared from the two methods. One is a phosphorus pentoxide dissolved in water, another one is a phosphorus pentachloride dissolved in water to form of orthophosphoric acid. Oxidation state of phosphorus in orthophosphoric acid. H3PO4, H3 in the PO4, hydrogen, oxidation state of hydrogen plus 1. 3 hydrogens are there, 3. Phosphorus can be expressed as a X. Oxidation state of oxygen minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 equal to minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to 5. So plus 5 oxidation state. So oxidation state of phosphorus in orthophosphoric acid plus 5. The next one, H4P2. H4P2O6. H4P2O6 is a hypophosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. Each hydrogen exhibits the plus 1 oxygen state. So 4 into 1 equal to 4. How many phosphorus? 2 phosphorus. So 2x. How many oxygen? 6 oxygen. Each oxygen exhibits the minus 2 charge. So 6 into minus 2 equal to either minus 12 equal to 0 because of there is no charge on the compound. So 2x minus 8 equal to 0. 2x equal to 8. X is equal to plus 4. So the hypophosphorus acid, hypophosphoric acid contain phosphorus exhibit the plus 4 oxygen state. In this compound of H4P2O6 can be prepared from phosphorus P4 bound in air and dissolved in water H2O gives H4P2O6. H4P2O6. What is the name of this compound? Hypophosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid. Next one, in H4P2O7. H4P2O7. In the H4P2O7 can be obtained from dimerization of phosphorus acid with elimination of water. So dimerization of phosphorus acid H3PO3 dimerize to give H4P2O7 plus H2 removed with elimination of water. H4P2O7. What is the structure of H4P2O7? Hydrogen, bond O, bond phosphorus, double bond O, bond O, bond phosphorus, double bond O, bond O, hydrogen, bond OH, bond OH. It is a structure of pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7, otherwise called pyrophosphoric acid. What is the oxidation state of phosphorus in pyrophosphoric acid? How many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogen. Each hydrogen exhibits the what oxidation state? Plus 1. So 4 into plus 1 equal to 4 plus. How many phosphorus are there? 2 phosphorus. So then phosphorus can be expressed as a X. So 2X. How many oxygen? 7 oxygen. Each oxygen exhibits the what oxidation state? Minus 2. Minus 2 into 7 which is equal to 14. 14 equal to 0 because of there is no charge on the compound. So 2x minus 10 equal to 0. 2x which is equal to 10. X which is equal to 5 plus 5 oxidation state. Pyrophosphoric acid contain phosphorus exhibit the plus 5 oxidation state. It is one of the oxoacids of phosphorus. Next one, what are the structure of the oxoacids of phosphorus? Structure of oxoacids of phosphorus. First one, hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid formula H3PO2. Hypophosphorus acid. First one H3PO2. The next one H3PO3. Third one in the H3PO4. In the fourth one H3PO5. H3PO5. Hypophosphorus acid. Next one. Fifth one HPO3. In the sixth one HPO3 n times. In the seventh one HPO3 n equal to thrice. N equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. N equal to thrice. In then HPO3 4 times. Then last one HPO3 n times. No guys, okay. HPO3 H6P4O13. O13 is a tetraphosphoric acid. Is a hypophosphorus acid in H3 formula. In H3 formula, different in the phospho-oxo acids are there. One is a hypophosphorus acid, phosphorus acid, orthophosphoric acid, peroxo monophosphoric acid. Peroxo monophosphoric acid, metaphosphoric acid, linear polymetaphosphoric acid is a cyclic cyclo-trimetaphosphoric acid, cyclo-tetramethaphosphoric acid. It comes in the tetra-polyphosphoric acids. Tetra-polyphosphoric acid. What is the structure of this compound? H3PO2. 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 Hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. Hydrogen, bond O, bond phosphorus, double bond O, bond hydrogen, bond hydrogen. It is hypophosphorus acid. Next one, phosphorus acid. H3PO3. H3PO3. Hydrogen, bond O, bond phosphorus, double bond O, bond H, bond hydrogen. Next one, H3PO4. H3PO4. Hydrogen, bond O, phosphorus, double bond O bond H, in the bond OH. Another one, H3PO5, peroxo monophosphoric acid. Hypophosphorus acid, phosphorus acid, orthophosphoric acid, peroxo monophosphoric acid which contain peroxide linkage. H bond, O bond, phosphorus, double bond O bond H, bond O, bond H. It is a peroxide. Important. It is a peroxide. Peroxo monophosphoric acid. Peroxo monophosphoric acid. Next one, metaphosphoric acid. HPO3, metaphosphoric acid. Hydrogen, bond O, bond phosphorus, double bond O is a metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid. Next one, HPO3 thrice. 3 into 1 equal to 3, H3. 3 into 1 equal to 3, P3. 3 into 3 equal to 9, O9. H3, P3, O9. H3, P3, O9. Cyclotrimetaphosporic acid is common. Cyclotrimetaphosporic acid. Phosphorus, one O, and then one phosphorus. Phosphorus, one O, one phosphorus, one O, phosphorus, one O bond. Double bond O, OH. Double bond O, OH. Here double bond O, OH. It is a tri. It is a metaphosphoric acid. HPO3 is metaphosphoric acid. 3 means a tri. Trimetaphosphoric acid. It is a cyclic compounds. That's why it is called cyclotrimetaphosporic acid. Cyclotrimetaphosporic acid. Suppose in the instead of 3 we can use the 4. HPO3 4. 4 into 1 equal to H4. 4 into 1 equal to P4. 4 into 3 equal to O12. H4P4 O12. H4P4 O12. H4P2O P4 O12. Structure of H4P4 O12. Phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus. Double bond O, OH, double bond O, OH, double bond O, OH, double bond O, one OH. It is a cyclotetramethaphosphoric acid. Tetramethaphosphoric acid. It is a metaphosphoric acid. Cyclotrimethaphosphoric acid. It is a cyclotetramethaphosphoric acid. Cyclotetramethaphosphoric acid. Is a cyclotetramethaphosphoric acid. The last one, H6P4O13. H6P4O13 is a tetrapolyphosphoric acid. Tetrapolyphosphoric acid. The tetrapolyphosphoric acid H6P4O12 O13 phosphorus bond OH, here bond OH, in double bond O, and then bond O, bond phosphorus, double bond OH, O bond phosphorus, in the OH, double bond O bond phosphorus, in the double bond OH, in the OH. It is a formula of H6P4O13 polytetraphosphoric acid. How many phosphorus? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 phosphorus. How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 oxygens are there. It is a in the tetrapolyphosphoric acid. Tetrapolyphosphoric acid. Suppose we can use the N times in metaphosphoric acid. HPO3 N times. N is a polymer compounds. It is otherwise called linear polymetaphosphoric acid. Linear polymetaphosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Linear polymetaphosphoric acid. Bond O, bond phosphorus, double bond O, OH, O, then phosphorus, here OH, in the double bond O phosphorus, in the double bond OH, then N times. It is a linear polymetaphosphoric acid. These compounds all are is derived from H3 compounds. Another one H4 compounds are there. H3 compounds is a hypophosphorus acid. A phosphorus acid, in then phosphoric acid, peroxo monophosphoric acid, metaphosphoric acid. It is a linear polymetaphosphoric acid. Linear polymetaphosphoric acid. It is a cyclotrimethaphosphoric acid. It is a cyclotetramethaphosphoric acid. It is a linear tetraphosphoric acids. In these compounds are derived from H3 compounds. H3. Another one H4 compounds. H4. The H4 compounds also is obtained from derivative of phosphorus compounds. First one H4P2O4. H4P2O4. H4, 10th one. H4P2O4. In the 11th one, H4P2O5. Then H4P2O6. Then H4P2O7. Then H4P2O8. H4P2O8. Hypodiphosphorus acid. The H4P2O4. Hypodiphosphorus acid. It is a hypophosphorus acid. It is hypodiphosphorus acid. It is a pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid. It is hypophosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid. Another one, isohypophosphoric acids are there. In the both compounds are same molecular formula. Hypophosphoric acid as well as isohypophosphoric acid, both are same molecular formula but a different arrangement. Depend upon arrangement, the compounds are named in vary. Then pyrophosphoric acid is a pyrophosphorus acid. H4P2O5 pyrophosphorus acid. H4P2O7 pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid. H4P2O8 peroxodiphosphoric acid. H3PO5 peroxomonophosphoric acid. That compound contain only one peroxyl linkage. The H4P2O8 also which contain only one peroxyl linkage. So H3PO5 were named as peroxomonophosphoric acid. H4P2O8 were named as the peroxodiphosphoric acid. H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid. H4P2O4 hypodiphosphorus acid. H4P2O6 hypophosphoric acid. Another one hypodiphosphoric acid or isodiphosphoric acid. Isohypophosphoric acid. H4P2O5 pyrophosphorus acid. H4P2O7 pyrophosphoric acid. That's enough. H4P2O4 hydrogen bond O, bond phosphorus, bond O, hydrogen, phosphorus, bond O, hydrogen, O bond hydrogen. It is a form of H4P2O4, hypodiphosphorus acid. Next one, H4P2O5, hydrogen, bond O, phosphorus, double bond O, phosphorus, double bond O, bond OH, in bond hydrogen, here bond hydrogen. Two directly bond hydrogens are phosphorus hydrogen bond, phosphorus hydrogen bond. It is a H4P2O5. It is a pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid. The next one, H4P2O6. H4P2O6. In the H4P2O6 exhibit the different structure. Two type of different structures are there. One is H bond, O bond, phosphorus double bond O, direct with phosphorus, double bond O bond H, bond OH, E then bond H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E then 6 OH. How many phosphorus? 2 phosphorus, P2. How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogen. 4, H4. O6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one way can be written as H bond O bond phosphorus double bond O bond H bond O bond phosphorus double bond O bond OH bond OH. Here phosphorus directly bond with hydrogen which is used as a reducing agent. This compound can be used as a reducing agent. That compound cannot be used as a reducing agent because of what is the condition for the compound act as a reducing agent means those compound which contain phosphorus directly bond with hydrogen. Don't forget. The next one, the compound does not contain phosphorus oxygen bond. The compound contains phosphorus oxygen phosphorus bond. The compound also contains phosphorus oxygen phosphorus bond. The compound can be named as hypophosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid. That compound can be named as isohypophosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Isohypophosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid which contain 1, 2, 3, 4 OH group. That's why the compounds can be act as a tetra basic in nature. 4 type of salt formed when react with the base. Isohypophosphoric acid which contain 1, 2, 3 OH groups are there. In the compound gives the tri-basic nature, 3 type of salt when treated with sodium hydroxide or alkali. That compound cannot be used as a reducing agent, but in this compound can be used as a reducing agent. Because of that compound contain phosphorus directly bonded with hydrogen. Those compound which contain phosphorus directly bonded with hydrogen means those compound act as a reducing agents. But both the compounds are same molecular formula. But a different structure. That's why name also different. These compounds were named as the hypophosphoric acid. That compound can be named as the isohypophosphoric acids. In the next one, H4P2O7. Pyrophosphoric acid. H4P2O7. H1O phosphorus, double bond O phosphorus, double bond O bond H, inga bond OH, inga bond OH. Totally how many OH groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 OH groups are there. 1 phosphorus oxygen bonds are there. 2 phosphorus coordinate with the oxygen, 2 in the phosphorus coordinate with the oxygen bonds are there. So 4 OH group. This compound were named as the pyrophosphoric acid. H4P2O5 pyrophosphorus acid. H4P2O7 pyrophosphoric acid. H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid. H4P2O5 hypodiphosphorus acid. H4P2O6 hypophosphoric acid. In this compound hypophosphoric acid, in this structure of compounds isohypophosphoric acid. In the last compounds of oxoacids of phosphorus, H4P2O8 peroxodiphosphoric acid. Hydrogen bond O bond phosphorus double bond O in the bond O bond H bond O phosphorus double bond O bond OH bond O hydrogen. These bonds are important. Peroxide groups are there. In all over oxoacids of phosphorus which contain 2 compounds. 2 compounds contain only peroxide linkage. One is H4P2O8 peroxo monophosphoric acid. Another one H3PO5 peroxo monophosphoric acid, which is called peroxodiphosphoric acid. Is a peroxodiphosphoric acid. In H3PO5 H O bond phosphorus double bond O bond OH bond O bond hydrogen. It is H4P2O8. This is H3PO5. Similar to Keros acid, Marshall acids of sulfur compounds. H4P2O8 were called peroxodiphosphoric acid. H3PO5 were called peroxo monophosphoric acid. In all compound contain oxygen exhibit the -2 oxygen state, but in this compound contain peroxide oxygen exhibit the -1 charge. Here -1 and -1 charge. What is the oxide of phosphorus in the H4P2O8 peroxodiphosphoric acid means how many phosphorus are there? 2 phosphorus. That's why the phosphorus can be expressed as a 2x. How many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogen. For each hydrogen exhibit the +1 oxygen state. So +4. In how many oxygens are there? 8 oxygen. Each oxygen exhibit the what oxygen state? 8 oxygen state. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oxygen exhibit the -2 oxygen state. Remaining peroxide oxygen exhibit the -1 oxygen state. 1 oxygen state. So 6 into -2 equal to -12. In the -1 -14. So 2x plus 4 minus 14 equal to 0. 2x minus 10 equal to 0. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. So oxygen state of in the peroxodiphosphoric acid contain phosphorus exhibit the +5 oxygen state. Another one H3PO5 peroxo monophosphoric acid. Totally how many oxygens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oxygens are there. In the double bond O bond O. In this 3 oxygen exhibit the minus 2 oxygen state. But peroxide oxygen exhibit the minus 1 oxygen state. That's why how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogen. Each hydrogen exhibit the plus 1 oxygen state. 3 into 1 equal to 3 plus how many phosphorus? 1 phosphorus. That phosphorus can be expressed as a X. Then minus how many oxygens are there? 5 oxygen. Each oxygen exhibit the what oxygen state? Minus 2. 5 into minus 2 equal to 10, which is equal to 0. 5 into wait. In the 1, 2, 3, the 3 oxygen only exhibit the minus 2 oxygen state. Remaining 2 oxygen exhibit the minus 1 oxygen state. So 6 minus 2 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus 8 equal to 0, because of there is no charge on the compound. So x minus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to plus 5. So peroxo monophosphoric acid which contain phosphorus exhibit the plus 5 oxygen state. Peroxo diphosphoric acid also which contain phosphorus exhibit the plus 5 oxidation state. Oxides of phosphorus and oxo acids of phosphorus contain all oxygen exhibit the minus 2 oxygen state except 2 compounds. One is a peroxo diphosphoric acid H4P2O8, another one peroxo monophosphoric acid H3PO5 except case because of which contain peroxide linkage. Peroxide linkage contain oxygen exhibit the minus 1 oxygen state. That's enough. Okay students, today topic over. In the next topic we will meet the next video. Thank you.